Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll show you how to enable or disable the apps drawer on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Whether you want all your apps on the home screen or hidden inside a drawer, I have got you covered. First, go to your home screen and long press on any empty area. This will bring up options like wallpapers, themes, widgets, and settings. Now tap on settings at the bottom right. This opens your home screen settings. Next, tap on home screen layout. Here you'll see two options, home and app screens. This keeps the apps drawer. Home screen only. This puts all apps directly on the home screen. Select home screen only to disable the apps drawer or home and app screens to enable it again. I'll go with home screen only and then tap apply. And that's it. You will now be able to enable or disable the apps drawer on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.